At the time this video is uploaded, React is the most popular JavaScript framework. And if you're a starter, do you even know how to start or set up a React project? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start or set up a React project. For more information about React, you can visit reactjs.org. I'm going to put a link in the description. And in here, you can see pretty much things you need to know about React. Let's get started. Firstly, what you need to have is Node. You need to have Node.js. Why? Because we're going to use the Node to start the React app using the terminal in the code editor. Or you can just use the Node.js itself by opening the application. And you can download either one of these. It doesn't really matter. Both will work fine. Let's get to the code editor. I personally use VS Code, and in fact, I suggest you use VS Code. And now open the folder. I've got a folder right here. It's an empty folder. And now what you need to do is to initiate the React app. Opening the terminal. And then type npx create React app. And then after this line, you'll have a space and then period to put a period if you want to install the React application inside this current folder. If you type Netflix clone, it'll make a new folder inside the folder that we opened and install the React app inside the Netflix clone or whatever particular folder you type after the npx line. I don't want to create a new folder. I'm just going to go for the period so that the React application will be installed in the current folder. Press enter. Once it says happy hacking, it means the React app has been installed in your folder successfully. And now to open the React app in a folder in a browser, you need to run the server by typing, still in the terminal, type npm start, enter. It opens the browser, and this is the React output. The coding progress will work the same as the live server plugin, where if you save the file, it'll automatically refresh the browser or the React app. So this is pretty much what you'll get after you initiate the server. I'm gonna give you additional things that you need to do, not necessary, but just to make things clean. What I usually do is that I remove or delete the useless files. So setup test, we don't need a test. Report file, we don't need that. And you can either choose one of these CSS file, or maybe you can just delete all of them and create a new one later. But I personally use app CSS, so I'm gonna delete the index.css and then this app.js. We don't need that. After that, we are gonna delete the logo. So this is pretty much what we need. I'm lazy to mess up with the public folder, but the source one is essentially the most crucial. So in index, since we have removed some of the files, We're gonna remove some of the connections between it. So this index.js, the center, like the center of the project. So it renders the React app to the root in the HTML. So if you see, we have the ID of root, and then you can read comment comments tags to learn to get to know something about it. And index, we're gonna remove the index.css because we don't have it anymore, and then and save it. App.js, we're gonna remove the header, or perhaps you might want to also remove this, but this is absolutely up to you. Save and delete the unnecessary imports. Let's go back. Now it's clean. And now if I type h1 hello React, it's there. So it means it is working fine. Additionally, there's one more thing that I want to tell you guys. This is a tip and trick. If you want to make your React coding progress much more efficient, you can go to the plugin or extension, and you want to find ES7 React. Now this one, it'll make your React coding progress much more efficient. It has snippets. It has pretty much a lot of things that make the work more efficient. So that is guys from this video. It's pretty much simple. It's not really complicated, but it is not as simple as making an HTML and CSS plain project. So if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or even better, share this video. Thanks for watching.